Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty of new MBA course in Indira Gandhi National Open University. Today, I have taken one of the subjects of MBA, course code being MMPC-011, Social Processes and Behavioral Issues. It has got 4 blocks, and in the 4 blocks, they have covered 15 units, and I am going to read the units one after the other for the information of the students. Unit 1 is concept of organizational behavior. Unit 2 is approaches to organizational behavior. Unit 3 is evolution of organizational behavior. Block 2 is intrapersonal processes. Unit 4, personality, values and attitudes. Unit 5, learning and behavioral modification. Unit 6, perception and attribution. Unit 7 is motivation. Block 3 is interpersonal and group processes. Unit 8 is group dynamics and team building. Unit 9 is conflict and negotiation strategies. Unit 10 is job stress. And the block 4 is Unit 11, employee empowerment. Unit 12 is organizational citizenship behavior. Unit 13 is organizational inclusiveness. Unit 14 is diversity management. And Unit 15 is positive approaches to work behavior. This particular concerns the individual, the organization, the group that is going to be there in the organization. It is just natural that an individual with knowledge, skill, straight from the college, seek an opportunity in a given organization, thinking that with the skills, knowledge, abilities that he has possessed, he should be suitable to that organization. And he being a fresh person from the college, the environment of the organization becomes strange to him to start with. And when he is likely to join the organization, then he becomes one among the employees in the organization, and he need to change his attitude and behavior in conformity with the group is a team member as an individual, where he is supposed to coordinate and cooperate with them in conformity with the targets that are likely to be given to him along with the other members. There, he need to conform to the norms that are to be followed in the organization, and that is how this concept of organizational behavior has been there, and intrapersonal is nothing but thinking oneself as to what is himself, and he need to compare his attitude, his values as to the attitude, values, personality that need to be there in the organization, and he need to change according to the requirement of the organization in order to see that there are corporate values, attitude, and personality, and thereafter he is likely to interact with all the people in the organization in all 360-degree level, where each of the departments and each of the sections are going to become an area of interaction for meeting their objective by coordinating among themselves as to what the processes they must have to, and that sort of a thing is being discussed here in interpersonal and group processes. And thereafter, when a person becomes okay with the things over a period of time, he need to enjoy the privilege of being giving opportunity to design himself as to how he can make things happen on a given uh, concern. And that is how it is. So I have just taken one of the questions that are likely to be there, and I am taking up this in the next video. And here there is assignment, and this assignment is a replica of the questions that are likely to be asked determined examination. And as such, I will just read out the questions that are there assignment: social processes and behavioral issues. The first one is describe and discuss various approaches to understand behavior and explain how managers can manage and control human behavior at work with relevant examples. The second one is they describe various personality theories and discuss how personality plays an important role in organizational behavior with examples. The third one is what are the various sources of conflict in organizations and discuss how to manage and prevent conflicts, citing suitable examples. The fourth one is what is a social perception? Discuss the problems involved in social perception and how to overcome them with examples. What is organizational citizenship behavior and its antecedents? How does OC organizations discuss with relevant examples? Now, I have taken the first question: describe and discuss various approaches to understand behavior and explain how managers can manage and control human behavior at work with relevant examples. Normally, the examinations is for a period of 180 minutes, where the students are supposed to answer 5 questions, and with the experience over a period of time from the day this course has started in IGNOU, the normal time that is required per question will be around 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the frequency of speed of the individual handwriting that is likely to be there, such that he would be required to answer at least 500 to 600 words per question to make himself worth that answer to score 80% and above. So I have just managed to see that the answer for this question is around 640 words, so that the students can go through that and be able to memorize the optimal level of 500 to 600 words, so that when they are likely to appear for the examination, they can produce those things to score at least 80 and above. Thank you. My answer will be there in the next video.